Okay, so Cameo 4 can be very disturbing if you can't use it. I see a lot of people complaining that their auto blades are not working, Cameo 4 is shit, blah blah blah. Here's the technique that you should check. You know, when you get the Cameo 4, you get a lot of stuff from it. So this is the auto blade and this is a locker. So what you do is you put the first one and then you'll notice two holes here, the one here and then there's another one here. So you put the two inserts here and place it this way and firmly just lock it. And if it's not too tight, if it's not too locked, you don't put too much pressure, force it, but you have sort of stabilize it so that the auto blade settings syncs with the whole thing. So you need to make sure you lock it. Just do a slight twist, don't force it too much or you might break it. But this usually happens when the blade is slightly curved or it's not in sync, it's not aligned with the whole thing. So this is one tip. The second tip is you make sure you put auto blade in the right direction. Pull it, you have the auto blade, you insert it in this way, and some people stop at this step. This is the wrong thing to do. You push it and then that's when it's locked. Auto blade is in place and then you can start cutting. These are the two common mistakes on why the auto blade doesn't work, but I will be bringing on more videos on the most common mistakes, so make sure you check out the playlist. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about sublimation, vinyl, and how you can build a clothing line using the right blend.